Welcome to solve this a bit challenging math problem. First, let's suppose all of this is equals to x. X is equals to square root of 4 plus square root of 4 minus square root of 4 plus square root of 4 minus on and on like that. If this is true, this means that x must be greater than 0. Also, let us represent this guy square root of 4 minus square root of 4 plus square root of 4 minus on and on like that with y. That is, y is equals to square root of 4 minus square root of 4 plus square root of 4 minus on and on like that. This also means that y must be greater than 0. From this line, we are going to have x equal to square root of 4 plus, we will now replace square root of 4 minus square root of 4 plus on and on like that with y. So we have y. Let us take a square of both sides. Square both sides. Doing that, we have s square equal to square root of 4 plus y times 2. S square is equal to, clearly, this bigger square root takes care of this power. We are left with 4 plus y. S square, when we transfer y to the left hand side, we have minus y equal to 4. Let us call this equation 1. Now, back to the second assumption. This guy, y equal to square root of 4 minus square root of 4 plus square root of 4 minus on and on like that. Y equal to square root of 4 minus square root of 4 plus square root of 4 minus on and on like that. What do you notice here? You will notice that starting from this guy, square root of 4 plus square root of 4 minus on and on like that, that is exactly our x. Let me show you. X is equals to square root of 4 plus square root of 4 minus square root of 4 plus on and on and on. That is, the sign alternates, but 4 is constant. Let's continue. Y is equal to square root of 4 minus x. Squaring both sides, we have y square equal to square root of 4 minus x times 2. Y square is equals to, this bigger square root takes care of this power. We are left with 4 minus x. This implies that y square plus x is equals to 4. Let us call this the second equation, equation 2. Now, from equation 1 and equation 2, equation 1 is s square minus y equal to 4, and equation 2 is y square plus x equal to 4. You will notice something here. The constant is the same. We have 4 here, we also have 4 here. That means we can equate these two guys. S square minus y is equal to y square plus x. This implies that s square, when we transfer y square to the left hand side, we have minus y square equal to x plus y. S square minus y square could be written as x plus y times x minus y equal to x plus y. Let's proceed further. Since x is greater than 0, y is also greater than 0, this means that x plus y must be greater than 0. Because of this condition, that means we can divide both sides by x plus y, divide both sides by x plus y. So doing that, we are going to have x minus y equal to 1. Y is equals to x minus 1. When we rearrange these guys, we have this. Let's continue. Substitute y into equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is s square minus y equal to 4. This is equation 1. So s square minus, what is y? Y is x minus 1. So we have x minus 1 equal to 4. S square minus times x, that is negative x, minus times minus 1, that is plus 1 equal to 4. S square minus x plus 1. When this guy comes to the left side, we have minus 4 equal to 0. S square minus x, 1 minus 4, that is negative 3, is equal to 0. We can solve this quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. Let us do that now. The quadratic formula says x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 times a times c over 2a. From this quadratic equation, you will notice that our a is equals to 1, coefficient of x squared, and our b is equals to negative 1, coefficient of x, and c is equals to minus 3. Let's continue. X is equals to minus. What is b? B is minus 1, so we have minus 1 plus or minus square root of b is minus 1. That will be minus 1 times 2 minus 4 times, what is a? A is 1 times, what is c? C is negative 3 over 2 times a is 1. X is equal to minus times minus 1, that is 1, plus or minus square root of minus 1 to the power of 2, that is 1, minus 4 times 1 times negative 3, that is plus 12, all over 2 times 1, that is simply 2. X is equals to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 12, that is 13, over 2. This implies that x is either equals to 1 plus square root of 13 over 2 or 1 minus square root of 13 over 2. 1 plus square root of 13 over 2, if you plug it into your calculator, you will arrive at an answer which is greater than 0, but 1 minus square root of 13 over 2, if you do the same thing, you will arrive at an answer which is less than 0. That means we are going to ignore this guy. It's not part of the solution because it is less than 0. Since x must be greater than 0, therefore, the only solution that we have is x equal to 1 plus square root of 13 over 2. Thus, we can now claim that square root of 4 plus square root of 4 minus square root of 4 plus square root of 4 minus on and on like that is equal to 1 plus square root of 13 over 2. This is the required solution. That's it. Thanks for watching.